What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of the PBA PWBA mixed tournament called the Luci, striking against breast cancer doubles. We are bowling for a PBA title today. Qualified in the 12 spot, and we need to get to the top 8 over the next 5 games, so wish us luck. Bang. Well, we made the top 8 more games, fresh oil. It's going to be a round-robin match play with superstar teams like Danielle and Simo, EJ and Deandra, Tommy and Shannon Polhowski, who have won this tournament like 4 times, it feels like. So it's going to be an all-star studded top 8 round-robin match play to try and bring home a PBA title number 3 on the season for me and PWBA title number 1 for Madison. So we're only about 200 back of the lead with 8 games in match play. That's like nothing. So here we go. We have a giveaway we're running. I had the top 8 bowlers in the world sign a pin that I'm going to give away once we get to 120,000 subscribers. So before our 8 games of match play, why don't you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and as always, you can follow along for more videos like this one, and let's get to the top 8 match play. A little bit tougher on the first game here, but the second game we bounced back with a massive second game. We shot 500 plus we got the win. So that was absolutely huge to get that win after a struggle of a first game. So that bumped us all the way up into like 5th. Absolute blast of a tournament there for me and Madison. We ended up finishing 4th, beating Deandra and EJ to hang on to that 4th spot the last game, which pays out a really good amount. It was our best finish so far at the Luci. We improved off of, back-to-back years finishing just outside that top 20 number, and we bounced back and finished all the way up in 4th. I bowled really well, Madison bowled really well. Next year will be better. Gonna go drill some balls for her, drill some balls for me, and hopefully bounce back next year and maybe snag a win. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. If you guys want to check out this jersey on coolwick.com, I'll put the link down below in the description. It's under Madison Janik's collection on coolwick.com, and you can use my code for 10% off anything you order by typing in Packy10 when you check out. So check that out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Thanks for supporting our journey as always, and until the next one, peace.